What are common slitting machine problems? A slitting machine is designed to cut jumbo rolls into smaller rolls with accurate width, clean edges, and stable rewinding quality. But in real production, many problems can appear if the machine is not properly adjusted. The most common slitting machine problems include burrs, wrinkles, unstable tension, poor roll edge quality, loose rewinding, web breaks, telescoping rolls, paper dust, and uneven finished rolls. Burrs are often caused by dull blades, incorrect blade clearance, wrong cutting pressure, or poor blade alignment. Wrinkles usually come from unstable tension, roller misalignment, poor web spreading, or uneven material thickness. Tension problems are one of the biggest reasons for poor slitting quality. If the tension is too high, the material may stretch, curl, or break. If the tension is too low, the finished roll may become loose, uneven, or telescoped. Poor roll edge quality is also a common problem in slitter rewinder operation. It may be caused by blade runout, unstable rewinding pressure, incorrect shaft setting, material vibration, or poor web guiding. For thermal paper rolls, pause paper rolls, ATM paper rolls, self-adhesive labels, film materials, and packaging rolls, clean slitting and stable rewinding are extremely important. A good slitter rewinder machine is not only about high speed, it is about stable tension control, accurate slitting, smooth rewinding, clean roll edges, and reliable long-term production. So before blaming the material, always check the blade condition, tension control, roller alignment, rewinding pressure, and web guiding system first. These details decide the final roll quality.